Moving on, viewers, we have some big breaking news coming in as far as the Muda scam is concerned. In Karnataka, the BJP is continuing to mount pressure on the Chief Minister. The BJP has now reiterated that Siddaramaiah must resign from the post of Chief Minister. And what's even more to this story is that the BJP claims that the Muda scam is not just limited to the Chief Minister's family. So are they hinting that there are more big faces involved? Let's now listen into what the Karnataka BJP chief, B.Y. Vijendra, had to say.
Muda scam has surfaced. When Muda scam has surfaced, when the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is bound to resign, now he is trying to raise this kind of issue and attempt to divert the issues from the corruption. This Muda scandal is not only limited to 14 sites that has been allotted to CM's family. More than 5,000 crore scandal. This is Muda scandal. So Siddaramaiah is bound to resign. Caste census which Siddaramaiah has been discussing. Probably Siddaramaiah is in a hurry. Siddaramaiah is aware that he is bound to resign in Muda scandal. So only to divert the issue, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is talking about implementation of caste census.
Well, to give us more insights, we have Sri Lakshmi joining us live from our Bengaluru newsroom. Sri Lakshmi, a very good afternoon to you. The Karnataka BJP president says that the Muda scam is not just restricted to the Chief Minister's family. So does this mean, Sri Lakshmi, that there are more big faces involved? Well, Sri Lakshmi, if you could hear me. Well, it seems like we have some technical difficulties, but we'll get you the live reactions from the state of Karnataka. But right now, let's focus on what the BJP chief of Karnataka said, viewers. B.Y. Vijendra said that this scam tunes to around 5,000 crore rupees. And he has also said that the scam is not just restricted to the Chief Minister's family, but it goes beyond Siddaramaiah's family. And now it's not just the BJP, but there are several leaders within the Congress as well who are demanding the resignation of the Chief Minister to avoid embarrassment for the Congress party. Now let's listen in to what B.Y. Vijendra said once again.
When Muda scam has surfaced, when the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is bound to resign, now he is trying to raise this kind of issue and attempt to divert the issues from the corruption. This Muda scandal is not only limited to 14 sites that has been allotted to CM's family. More than 5,000 crore scandal. This is Muda scandal. So Siddaramaiah is bound to resign. Caste census which Siddaramaiah has been discussing. Probably Siddaramaiah is in a hurry. Siddaramaiah is aware that he is bound to resign in Muda scandal. So only to divert the issue, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is talking about implementation of caste census.
Well, we have Sri Lakshmi back with us. Sri Lakshmi, I was asking, B.Y. Vijendra said that the Muda scam is not just restricted to the Chief Minister's family. So does this mean that there are more big faces involved in the entire land allotment scam?
Well, definitely, Deepak, because earlier when we can, if we can recall, that the complainants used to say that it is a scam of around 5,000 crore rupees. So there are a lot many other big names are involved. That's what is being suspected. But now, as of now, complainants have filed their complaint only against Siddaramaiah, and now in the letter in which where Siddaramaiah's wife has written back to Muda saying that she's going to return all those sites. In that letter, she has mentioned that many of the other people, other politicians have been involved in Muda, and there are several scams like this. All those scams needs to be investigated. That's what Siddaramaiah's wife has claimed on one hand. And on the other hand, now we can see in Karnataka the issues like caste census and Dalit CM all these issues are coming up forward, and all these Congress leaders are talking about these issues. So in reaction to that, B.Y. Vijayendra had said that caste census report was submitted to CM long back by Jayaprakash Hegde-led committee. And in his last tenure also, Siddaramaiah was having this caste census report, but he had not released it. He had not publicized it. The reason was, if he released the caste census report, if it says that the Vokkaligas are highest in number, then Lingayats will be unhappy. If the caste census says that Lingayats are highest in number, then Vokkaligas will be unhappy. And there's a Dalit section also, Ahinda section also, which is in truly large number in Karnataka. If the caste census says Ahinda section is the largest vote bank, then that creates more controversies. So it's kind of truly tricky situation for Siddaramaiah, whether to release this report of caste census or not. But time and again, whenever the other controversies comes, it is said that to cover those other controversies, Congress circles, in Congress circles, this caste census report make a lot of noise. Deepak, now Vijayendra is saying that Siddaramaiah has to release caste census, and BJP has got nothing against this caste census report. But regarding Muda scam, taking all the moral responsibility, Siddaramaiah is supposed to resign. That's what B.Y. Vijayendra is insisting, demanding.